guys! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. For today's video, I will do unboxing. This unboxing video is different because I will unbox a gift from my friends, and I am very excited because this one is a secret box. So here is the gift, guys. So actually this gift is last Christmas and I feel very sick. That's why I don't have time to do the unboxing video, but I've never opened because I want to do the unboxing video with you guys, and I am very excited and I am very tempted to open this one, but I said no. I want to do unboxing video for you to able to see what my friends give to me. So they know that I love secret boxes and Pop Mart, so that's why they decided to give me this one as a gift. So let's open, and I am very excited. So let's open the paper bag, and I don't have any idea what is inside the box. So what is the blind box or secret box? So let's open. It's quite big. Oh, so it says All-Star Team. So guys, the product name is Nuki Zoo Tour Pendant Surprise Box. So it's Nuki. So this one is so cute. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 secret. So the green one is Little Dinosaur. So Big Panda, the white and black. The pink one is Little Rabbit. So the brown is Lesser Panda. And the white and brown is Little Lamb Little Lamb Cub. The yellow is Corgi. And the hidden items, or we call secret, is big hidden, and the other one is small hidden. So thank you to my friends Ate Maria, Jazz, and Sarah. So let's open. So I will put heart to the one that I want to get. So I want the maybe Big Panda, because, and the Lesser Panda. This one, guys, I like it because if you are familiar to my previous unboxing video about plush blind boxes, I want to get Panda because of our theme to our car is Panda. So let's open. I am very excited. So let's open the box. Okay. So here, ooh, As you can see, guys, the plastic is just a silver, plain silver. And so, oh, I got yellow. So I got corgi. Oh. It smells so good, guys, and so lovely. So the hands, it's movable. Oh, the hands is not movable. So quite good, guys. I love it. There is a bib here, a baby, and this one, guys, is a bag pendant. All right, so I am very happy what I've got because I love dogs as well. I have 15 dogs, and so lovely, and it smells so good. Guys, let's check the backs. So, confirm, I got the corgi. So, here. So cute. So, name, birthday, constellation, and baby mom. Oh, so there is a birth certificate, likes, admission ticket. That's not the birth certificate of this Nuki. Alright, so thank you to my friends. Alright, guys, so that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So see you on my next video, guys. Bye.